Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix your Amazon Fire Stick remote not working. Alright, so let's begin with the video.
So the first thing I recommend doing is literally taking the back off the remote, and then taking the batteries in and out. So what this is going to do is just go and fully power off the remote, and then power it back on again. And also it just makes sure I'm going to also make sure you've got the batteries in the correct way as well. Because if the batteries are in the incorrect way, that's another reason why it's not working. So literally take the batteries out, and then just wait like 10 seconds just to make sure power is drained. And then what you need to do is go and look in the remote. And as you can see here, there's a diagram of the way the battery needs to be. So as you can see, the positive needs to be facing left in my case. So I'm gonna go make sure they're in that way. So go and put the batteries back in and go and see if that makes a difference. So if the remote still isn't working after taking the batteries in and out, go and put some fresh batteries in to do that. So take the back off, take the batteries back out, and then put some new batteries in. Once again, make sure they're in the correct way as it's shown in the diagram in the remote itself. Another thing you can go and try is come onto a remote, and then what you need to do is go and hold on the home button. So hold on to that for around 10 seconds and go and see if that does anything. Hopefully that should go, and then connect the remote to your Fire Stick. The next fix we're going to try is by restarting the Fire TV Stick itself. To do that, we just need to unplug it from its power source. So maybe it's plugged in via USB to your TV, or maybe plugged into a wall outlet. Either way, what we need to do is just go and unplug it, then give it sort of 10 to 20 seconds just to make sure that it completely turns off. And if it was USB in the back of your TV, literally just go and unplug it. So there's now been a bit of time. So now what I'm going to do is go and plug it back in, and your Fire Stick will then go and restart, and then go and see if your remote will now go and work. If it still isn't working, then what we can try is by getting the Amazon Fire TV app on our phone. So what this is, an app is available on Google Play Store and the App Store on iOS devices. So all you need to do is just go and search for the Amazon Fire Stick TV app, and then it should appear. And then what you need to do is go and download it. And then once you've downloaded it, open up the app. And what we can do is go and configure it to go and work with our Amazon Fire Stick TV. It's pretty simple. What we need to do is go and enter a code, and then it should be synced. And we can then go and use our phone as a remote if our remote still isn't working. So it is an alternative. And then once you're using your phone as remote, what you can do is go to your settings on your Fire Stick TV. So scroll across on the home page, then go and tap on settings. And then what you can do is go and scroll down and go and tap on remotes and Bluetooth devices. And then what you can do is tap on Amazon Fire TV remotes. And on the next page, what you can do is then go and tap on Add New Remote. And you can try by adding your remote again. And what you'll need to do is you can go and hold the home button on the Fire Stick TV remote, and then hopefully it should go and pair it. I hope one of these fixes did work for you. So that's basically how you can fix your Amazon Fire Stick remote not working. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.